Hello students, I am Harshara Datti, Senior Lecturer of Department of Computer Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you digital signature and stegnography. Up till now, we have seen the symmetric key algorithms. Now, in symmetric also we have seen that in classic, under the substitution, we have seen the scissor cipher and modified scissor cipher. And in transposition technique, we have seen the reference and the simple columnar. Also in symmetric block cipher, we have seen the DES algorithm, data encryption standard. Now we are going to see the second type, that is asymmetric key cryptography, where two keys are used. So in this we are going to see the digital signature, and the next concept is the stegnography. So unit outcomes of this topic is to explain the given types of cryptography technique with example. After learning this video lecture, you will understand the concept of digital signature, advantages and disadvantages of the digital signature, and the concept of the stegnography. So what is digital signature? So digital signature are like electronic fingerprints. Digital signature securely associates a signer with the document in the recorded transaction. Digital signatures use a standard and accepted format called public key infrastructure. The PKI requires the provider to use mathematical algorithms to generate two long numbers called keys, where one key is public and another is private. So how digital signature is created, means how you sign any message with a digital signature. So whatever you are doing the signature electronically in banks or where, it is not a digital signature. Digital signature is one kind of protection given to your data with the asymmetric key cryptography. So how we are going to generate the digital signature? See, for creation we input the message, and this message is first we apply the hashing algorithm. We can use the secure hash algorithm or message digest file algorithm, SHA1 or message digest file. Any algorithm we are going to apply on the input message, on plain text message. So you will get one hash value. On that hash value, we are going to encrypt it with the private key of the senders, and private key is not shared. So if you lock any message from the private key of the sender, it can be unlocked. It can be decrypted using the public key of the sender, and public key is known by everyone on the internet. So to generate the digital signature, we first apply the hashing algorithm on input message, then we generate one hash value, and we are going to encrypt that hash value along with help of the private key, and that's the output which is generated is known as a digital signature. So for encrypting the hash value with the private key, we can use the digital signing algorithm, that is RSA and DSA. So we will see the now steps for digital signature creation and verification. So here is the signer, and there is one verifier. The signer has first message digest is used to generate the signature. The MD is calculated from the plain text or message. So on input message, we are going to perform first hash algorithm and generating the hash value. And after generating the hash value, the message digest is then encrypted using the user's private key. So then for digital signing algorithm, we are using digital signing algorithm to encrypt the hash value using the sender's private key, and the signed document is created. Then sender sends this encrypted message digest with the plain text to message to receiver. Then whatever you get digital signature, digitally signed signature document, this document is generated with the help of your digital signature and your original message. So sender combine original message with this digital signature and send it to the receiver. Receiver first, after receiving it, first receiver separate the message and your encrypted message digest from encrypted message digest, and decrypt it your hash value with the sender's public key. After decrypting it, you will get one hash value. So receiver receives what message and the encrypted hash value. So on encrypted hash value, this is nothing but a digital signature. So receiver first take the digital signature and the message. He kept the message separately, and on digital signature he applied a decryption algorithm with the sender's public key, so he will get one hash value. Also receiver receives one original message also. So on original message, receivers again perform the same hashing algorithm to generate the hash value. If both the hash value, that is we get one from the message by applying hashing algorithm, and one hash value is we are calculated by decrypting the digital signature with the sender's public key. If these both hash values are same, then only the document is accepted by the receivers. So this is what the verification process, combining the both hash value. The hash value which is calculated from the received message by applying the hashing algorithm, and another hash value which is come with the message, that is digital signature, is decrypted with the sender's public key, and we get the some hash value. If these two are same, then only the message does not lose the confidentiality and integrity, and also authentication. So digital signature provides you whole CINE. Actually, confidentiality is not provided by the digital signature, but it provides the integrity as well as the authentication. So what are the advantages of digital signature? The first is the speed. Businesses no longer have to wait for the paper documents to be sent by the courier in nowadays. So contracts are easily written, completed and signed by all concerned parties in the little amount of time, no matter how far the parties are geographically located. So speed is more if you are going to use the digital signature for the documents. The second advantage is the cost. Using the postal or courier services for paper documents is much more expensive compared to using the digital signature on electronic document. So cost is also less. Next is security. The use of digital signature and electronic document reduces the risk of document being intercepted, read, destroyed or altered while in transit. So it provides the security. As I told you that it provides you authentication and the integrity. Then authenticity. An electronic document signed with the digital signature can stand up in the court just as well as any other signed paper document, because digital signature gives you the authentication. The tracking, next advantage. A digitally signed document can be easily tracked or located in short amount of time. Next is the non-repudiation. Signing an electronic document digitally identifies you as a signatory, and that cannot be later denied. So no one can deny the message is not sending by them if this document having the digital signature of the sender. The next is the imposter prevention. No one else can forge your digital signature or submit an electronic document falsely claiming it was signed by you. Because why this advantage is there, improper prevention? Because of the hashing algorithm. This is the advantage of hashing algorithm. The last advantage is timestamp. By timestamping your digital signature, you will clearly know when the document was signed. So you can give the expiry time for any document using the digital signature. So these are all the advantages of the digital signature. Let us see some disadvantages of digital signature. The first is the expiry. Digital signature, like all the technology products, are highly dependent on the technology it is based on. In this era of the fast technological advancement, many of these tech products have a short shelf life. Next is the certificates. In order to effectively use digital signature, both the sender and recipient may have to buy a digital certificate at the cost from trusted certification authority. The next disadvantage is software. To work with a digital certificate, sender and recipient have to buy the verification software at cost. The next disadvantage is law. In some states and countries, law regarding cyber and technology based issues are weak or even non-existent. So trading in such jurisdiction becomes very risky for those who use digitally signed electronic document. And the last disadvantage is compatibility. There are many different digital signature standards and most of them are incompatible with each other. And this complicates the sharing of digitally signed documents. So these are the some disadvantages of the digital signature. Now let us see the last concept of this chapter is the stegnography. Stegnography means what? Hiding your secret message. What is cryptography? Cryptography is nothing but converting your original text into secret text. But what is steganography? Steganography is what? Hiding that your secret text behind something, behind any media. You can see that if I want to send my password using the steganography to anyone, or password or any information. Actually, password should not be shared. So, if I want to share some secret information to any person, so what I can do it, I can convert it into cryptography. I can hide my ciphertext into somewhere behind any media. For example, if I want to send some document, I can hide it any video file or and audio file. So if there is an attacker in between, the way between me and my friend that I want to share with, then that attacker only listen that media, video or audio. He or she doesn't understand there is some message he hide behind that video or audio. So this is what the steganography. Steganography is the art and science of writing hidden message in such a way that no one apart from sender and intended recipient suspect the existence of the message. Steganography works by replacing the bit of useless or unused data in regular computer files such as graphics, sound, text, HTML or even floppy disks with the bits of different invisible information. This hidden information can be a plain text, ciphertext or even image. In modern steganography, data is first encrypted by usual means and then inserted using special algorithm into the redundant data that is a part of particular file format such as JPEG image. So you can convert your original data into any into ciphertext, and then you can hide that ciphertext with behind any media. Here we take the example of JPEG image. So we can hide our text ciphertext behind the JPEG image by using any special algorithm. So this is what the steganography. So steganography process is nothing but cover media plus hidden data plus stegno key is equal to stegno medium. So what is cover media? Cover media is the media under which we are going to hide our secret data. So hidden data is nothing but your secret data. So secret data you are going to hide behind the cover media by using any algorithm, and that algorithm requires the stegno key. So combination of all this become the stegno medium. So stegno medium is nothing but the data hidden under any media. So you can see that cover media is what? Secret message and key optional. It is then it is embedding the cover embedding your secret message under the cover media, and stegno medium is generated. This stegno medium is going to the receiver side, and receiver side also extract the secret message from the cover media. So this is the whole process of the steganography. Thank you.